morning, everyone. Today we are doing a what I eat in a day vlog, catch up on life. We're going to talk about what's been going on in my weight loss journey, what's been going on for me fitness wise. Just be like a very chill video. I haven't done a what I eat in a day in quite some time, so I figured it was a good time to do one and just kind of talk. So these are my much more casual vloggy videos, and we will be talking later kind of about, like I said, the fitness stuff, weight loss, maybe calories and stuff like that. So if that's triggering to you, I'm just gonna tell you right now, skip this one out. You can catch me next time. Also, I burnt my lip on an oat, literally, like a singular oat. I was making oats on the stove to put on top of like this yogurt bowl I was making, and it stuck to my lip. And I was like, I couldn't get this oat off. Like I was trying to eat it to try it, and it was burnt and whatever. So that's what I did to my lip. So it's currently 7:18. And I'm going to go do a 45-minute workout. I'm gonna go do upper arm stuff. So I'm wearing this top that really shows off the arms. We'll talk more later about stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna go get this workout done because getting the workout done means we're one step closer to eating breakfast. My cute workout outfit, because it has this crossover thing, it's really cool. It's very flattering, and then just some plain black pants, flat shoes, because we're just doing arm stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing for this workout. So it is now about 8:45. Workout is done. I had a really good workout. So we're gonna make breakfast. I've been rocking the high pony. I think I'm gonna show you guys how I've been making these crepes. I showed them on my Instagram story and they are so good. And I use like the Birch plant protein pancake and waffle mix for this, and then like mix in some just egg and like a little non-dairy milk. And then I'm gonna probably serve it with some vegan yogurt that I'm mixing with the protein powder. Really good, I love it. I'll probably make a little vegan sausage patty on the side because I can't just have a sweet breakfast. Like I kind of need sweet and salty. So yeah, I think that's what we're gonna make. I think that's what I'm feeling. Let's go make breakfast. So this was the pancake mix I was telling you guys about. I'm going to add 50 grams into my measuring cup. I'm gonna add about 30 grams of the vegan just egg, and then about a half a cup of non-dairy milk, a little splash of vanilla, and just whisk that up really well. And then I did add in also a little bit of water just to help thin it out even further. You do want this batter to be very thin. Roll it around my pan, again a little bit, roll it around on a well-oiled pan, and then flip it. It should look like this, and that's it. It's exactly like how you make a regular crepe. I'm gonna use this Siggis vegan yogurt, it's so good, and then the vegan protein from the caramel tofu macchiato from Nutrition, and I also added a little water in there too. Mix that up. This protein powder is so good. I really like it. I mean, it's obviously coffee flavored, but I do really love it for things. Making one of these breakfast patties. This is the tea I'm having today. This is delicious. The crepes are all done. We got 4 crepes. I'm going to put on some blueberries and then that yogurt and then a little drizzle of maple syrup. And that is this breakfast, and it is so good and it is so delicious, and it is, I don't know, I feel like I'm in a cafe in France when I get to have crepes for breakfast. And they're a little time consuming to make, so I don't make them all the time, but they are really good. And I love that Birch plant protein mix. If you can find it, definitely get it. I ate breakfast. I talked to a friend for a little bit, and I think I'm just gonna go to Trader Joe's now, so it's done. So I want to show you my jacket because it's so cute, and then when I get back, I'll show you everything I got. Hi, I'm back home from Trader Joe's. First up, I bought myself some flowers. I love hydrangeas, so I always buy myself the hydrangeas. We got the cone. Remember I did that what I eat today, and I was so excited to eat these. I got some more of this frozen rice. It's like the rice, it's like a blend. It's really good. It has brown rice, red rice, and black barley. I got these, the Carb Savvy tortillas, the whole wheat. I don't know, they're good. I like them. They're really nice and soft. I think I want to make enchiladas for dinner. Got some Persian cucumbers, got some frozen green beans. We got the kale cashew pesto. They did not have the cashew fiesta dip. I don't know, I was very upset. I could not find it anywhere. And then the vegan tzatziki, which is also very good. Got some lemons, miso ginger broth. This stuff is really good. The cauliflower gnocchi, the Thai vegetable dumplings. These are also really delicious. I like to put them in the miso ginger broth and kind of make like a very not authentic, sort of like a wonton-y soup, but not really, obviously, because those aren't wontons. The sriracha baked tofu from Trader Joe's. What did I say? Obviously we're from Trader Joe's. We're doing a Trader Joe's haul. Some corn, some broccoli florets, the coconut oil spray. Oh my God, I forgot to get the peri-peri sauce. Honestly, I didn't see it. They were out of a lot of things at my Trader Joe's today. And the last thing was this Italian blood orange soda. Figured I would try it. Sounds pretty good. See, that's what I got. I'm mad that they didn't have the Cacio Fiesta dip. I'm mad that they didn't have the Taiwanese green onion pancakes. I'm mad that you can't see my face. Here I am. So yeah, I got some stuff, but honestly I wanted to get more things, but they like didn't have some stuff that I was looking for. So I'm gonna put this all away and then we'll reconvene in a second. Let's have a little update. Let's just like chat. If you don't want to hear about weight loss stuff, if you don't want to hear about fitness stuff, food stuff, turn this off now. If that's going to be triggering, if you just don't care, that's what we're going to be talking about right now. So in September, I uploaded my weight loss video where I think I titled it like how I lost over 40 pounds. At that point, I had said in the end of the video, you know, like, what do I want to do moving forward? And I was like, I'm just going to kind of let my body do what it wants to do, but I would like to lose more weight. From that video, I had lost like another 5 pounds, probably around like by November, December, I was 5 pounds lighter. Then of course the holidays came and I wanted to enjoy it and I was just kind of like, all right, like do what I want, you know, like enjoy this time, and just did my best to maintain, which I pretty much did. I only like went back up like 2 pounds. So that wasn't bad, like 2 or 3 pounds. But then it was like weird because like after the holidays were done, after New Year's, I don't know, like I was away for a little bit. And so like I just like kind of still wasn't like counting, and then like I stepped on the scale and I had gone up like another 2 pounds. So I was basically back at the weight that I was when I made that September video, which again is still like I have not gained really any weight back. Like I don't entirely count that as like a weight gain. Like it's not like I gained back 20 pounds. So then I was like, okay, gotta get back on track, back with being consistent and everything. And then I lost like another 2 pounds, but then I like gained a few pounds back, and like I haven't been as strict in my routine. I've been like doing a little more here and there, and like maybe some weeks I don't exercise 6 times a week like I was and stuff like that, which I think is good because I was in a very regimented lifestyle, which was obviously what was giving me results, but it's not, like that's not how you live your life. Working out 6 times a week for an hour every day, like every time I worked out, is like not very sustainable. Here's what I've been doing now, and here are like my new goals. I do still want to lose weight, but I think at this point it's also more of a fat loss thing rather than a weight loss thing. Obviously I showed you guys my like outfit before, and you can see like my body, I do think it looks really good. There are still areas like of course like on the tummy like that I would love to lose like a few pounds on, like this back area over here, like, you know, things like that are just like my areas that I see that I would like to lose weight on. But I also have been really loving weightlifting. Can definitely see a difference. Like I can definitely see that I'm getting more tone, I'm getting stronger, which makes me happy. So basically right now, my eating goal is kind of still the same, 1750 calories. I've kind of like been trying to get 90 to like 105 grams of protein, upping the protein a little bit more than I was, since I am like weightlifting a little bit more. And then like, again, like carbs 200, fats 50 to 60, like it doesn't, I'm not as pressed about those other macronutrients. And I'm also trying to like, you know, see what's happening like with lifting more weights. So basically like I'm kind of switching off every other day, weights or cardio, and then like 45-minute sessions for the weights, and then like 45 minutes to an hour for cardio, like depending on my mood. And I'm trying really hard to like listen to my body and like what workouts it wants to do. Tomorrow, maybe I'll want to ride the Peloton, maybe I'll want to walk on the treadmill. Like I'm just gonna like do what my body feels like doing. I mean, it is frustrating. Like it's kind of weird like when I'm stepping on the scale again and seeing like that weight gain, even if it is only a few pounds. So I'm just trying to like center myself, and like I was having a lot of moments of like feeling honestly really upset and really bad, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me, like I don't want to like gain weight back. But like I think like if I'm being honest with myself, like I have been like snacking a little more, and there's been days when I'm not counting, and like I think that's good because my life can't revolve around counting calories. Yes, I can use it as a tool, and yes, it can be helpful, but it's not a sustainable lifestyle. And like I deserve to go out and have dinner, or I deserve to like just take a day off and like just like eat and not think about like protein and stuff like that. You know, at the end of the day, like I have not gained the weight back that I lost. Like I don't count that like 3 to 5 pounds as a weight gain. It'd be different if I gained back 15, 20 pounds. And if I did, then I did, you know, like we'll assess it then. But I think where my body is at, it's probably very happy, which is why the weight hasn't really been budging. Like, you know, because I'm also building muscle and I'm gonna continue to build muscle, and that's what I wanna do, you know? Like I've always liked a more athletic look. You know, that's the look that I like. That's the look that I think looks good on my body. Even though I do carry some fat, of course we all do, I definitely know that I carry a lot of muscle. I really like how like my arms are shaping up and my legs, and like I'm trying to grow my butt and like all that stuff. And like I'm still seeing like the definition in my abs and everything. So I'm just kind of like taking it one day at a time. And I really want to be like respectful of what my body wants and what my body needs. I am going to do some work right now, and then we'll make a lunch. It's gotta probably be a quick lunch today because it's already getting a little bit later than I wanted it to. I just wanted to update you guys, let you know what was going on. Some people had questions, some people wanted to talk, you know. Like I said, I'm kind of I feel a little bit like in a plateau-y moment, but I'm just gonna keep telling myself like consistency. I know consistency works because that's what's worked for me in the past. So just like, I gotta be consistent as much as I can, but also live my life a little bit. I'm gonna edit and then I'll see you guys for lunch in a little while. Okay, I'm gonna make lunch. I did just have a little handful of the Enjoy Life mini chocolate chips. I needed it, okay? Just a little bit. So for lunch, yesterday I made this. This is like tofu and artichokes. It was really good. It was like a lemony kind of sauce, and then like vegan butter and tofu and some vegan feta. So I'm gonna heat up what's left of this, and then I'm going to make some Banza pasta, and I'll put some pesto on it, and then maybe I'll cut up a tomato too. So I'm just gonna throw that all in a bowl. That'll be a really nice, quick, easy lunch. I'm also snacking on some of these, the Harvest Snap Peas. They're so good. All right, so you're on the phone. I don't know why this is like looking very gray right now. So it's around dinner time. I showered, obviously my hair is wet. Okay, so I had every intention of making enchiladas, but I'm not feeling it right now. My stomach is kind of feeling weird. I'm having some anxiety, if I'm being quite honest. And honestly, the last thing that I want to do right now is make those enchiladas. I think I'm just gonna, some cauliflower gnocchi sounds good, and like a vegan chicken burger. Like I don't know. I'm not in the mood to do a whole cooking to do right this second. I just want to eat something easy. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make dinner because I do need to eat. I should eat. So I got the Dr. Praegers chicken spinach pesto burger. These are really, really good. They're made with pea protein. They're really delicious, and I like these. I'm gonna air fry some of the Trader Joe's cauliflower gnocchi. It's so funny because I have not had these in so long, but I feel like whenever I was doing what I eat in a day, I was always showing them, but it's like literally been so long since I've had them. And then I'll just heat up some green beans, and that'll be dinner. We're keeping it simple. I ate dinner. I'm gonna have my dessert. The oat milk s'mores ice cream. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's like graham cracker ice cream with like the so delicious Cool Whip in there, and then the vegan chocolate. And then I've really been liking actually putting some 3 Wishes cereal in here. This is honey flavored. It is vegan. It's really awesome, gluten-free, and it is a nice source of protein. So yeah, I like doing that. Adds a little crunch. And there we go. Dessert looking good. It is the next day. I completely forgot to wrap this video up last night. I made dinner, and then I was like FaceTiming with friends and stuff. So I never said goodbye. We never really like caught up for the rest of the day. So I just figured really quickly I'll give you the macronutrients of that day and the calories in case you're interested. Again, if that's not for you, please turn this off now. Yesterday I ate 1,768 calories, 102 grams of protein, 183 grams of carbs, and 73 grams of fat. So it was overall a great day for eating wise, lots of yummy, nutritious food. And yeah, I always think it's important to just like listen to your body, listen to what it's telling you, listen to what you need. Even though maybe you plan to do a workout, maybe things change and you don't want to do one. Even though you plan to make something for dinner, maybe things change and that's not what you want to do anymore. You know, listen to what your body is telling you. Listen to what is, you know, going on, because it's important to be in tune with ourselves and listen to what our body and our mind is saying, like, I need right now. And like last night, even though I wanted to make those enchiladas, I had every intention of it. It just, I was, you know, it wasn't the time, wasn't what I felt like doing. So it's important to be able to listen to yourself, because, you know, then that'll help you in listening to yourself in other aspects in life and like trusting yourself and whatnot. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is like a good little catch up so you kind of understand what I've been doing, what's going on. I will try to do more what I eat in a days. I've been posting a lot of reels on TikToks with what I eat in a days. So if you like these and you like them like very quick pace, like you just want to see the meals, check out the reels and the TikToks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I hope everyone is doing all right. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon with another video. Bye.